Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Jockie Music Bot on Discord mobile. If you like playing music on Discord while you're using its server or maybe doing any other stuff on Discord, then I'll show you how easily you can do it on your mobile phone. If you have the Discord app in your mobile phone, unfortunately with that you cannot add the music board. So for that you have to open your Discord on your browser. So just simply search for Discord and after that just simply log in with your account. Once you have logged in with your account, you will be into your account. Now there you have to make sure that you have a server that you own, because if you don't have a server that you don't own or you're not admin, you cannot add any sort of bot in it. So simply open that server that you would like to add bot in and then click onto its name. Once you tap onto it, then you have to click on server settings. Then there you will see different options. Scroll down and click on app directory. Once you tap onto it, then you will see these options. Now you have to click onto this apps option and then you will see the search icon on the top right. There you have to search for jockey. Just simply search for it and you will get different results, but you have to choose this first one, which is jockey music. Once you click onto it, you can see all about it, like how many people have got it in their server. Here it says that plus 6.3 million. So just simply add it, and after that it will ask you which server you would like to add in. So you can choose any server if you have multiple ones and click on continue, then click on authorize. Then it will ask you to verify that you are human, so you just have to simply verify it. This will just take a while in loading, and once the loading is done, the music bot will be added to your server. Now you just have to simply get back to your server and there you will see the jockey bot has been added. Here you can see the music jockey bot has been added and it shows you its code that you have to use to play music. You can read there we have four different sort of keys that you can use. So now what you have to do is that you have to make sure that you have joined its voice channel, because if you have not joined it, it would not allow you to play any music. After that, you just have to simply get back and start using the keys, which is M exclamatory mark play, and type the name of the song that you would like to play and press the enter, or you can click on that arrow. So here it says that you are not in a voice channel. So if you see this issue, then you just have to simply join the voice channel and the music will play. If you're using it and you don't see much options, in that case you just have to simply convert it into the desktop site, and after that you just have to simply repeat the key, which is the M exclamatory mark play, and then type your music name that you want to play, and after that it will start playing and you can listen it up. If you would like to get the song from Spotify or maybe from any other platform, you have to simply get the link and paste it here with the same code, but this time instead of adding the name, paste the link of the song. I already have it, therefore I pasted it, and there you will see the music will be there, then you can listen it up. And let's say if you don't want any music, you want to stop it, you can also do it. You have to give it a command, which is M exclamatory mark skip, and after that the music will get skip and the music will stop. And then if you would like to play another song, you can repeat that key and the new song will play. So that's it. This is how the Jockey Music bot works on Discord mobile. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And you can also find the Discord link in the description below. Leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask in the comment section below.